Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, we are going to see how to delete a recording on EETV Box Pro step-by-step recording management. Method 1. The quick remote shortcut recommended. Press the home key on your remote control. Now scroll down and highlight My TV or Recordings and Watch List. Then press OK. Now use the arrow keys to highlight the specific program or series style you want to remove. Then press the R button, record button, or the dedicated DEL button on your remote control. A confirmation message will pop up on the screen. Follow the prompts to confirm permanent deletion. Method 2. Through the program info menu. Navigate to My TV from your home screen and locate your recordings. Select the specific program you want to remove to open its detailed summary page. Now press the down arrow button on your remote to highlight the word delete. Press OK and select yes on the pop-up confirmation screen to delete it. Method 3. Deleting a single episode from a series. Open My TV and find the folder containing the recorded series. Then press OK to enter the folder and open the full list of recorded episodes. Highlight the specific episode you want to erase. Now scroll down below the clip player window to find and select the option to delete a single episode. Note, if a recording has a padlock icon next to it, it is currently locked to protect it from being automatically overwritten when space runs out. You will be prompted to explicitly confirm that you want to override the lock to delete it. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share and subscribe to our channel.